Good job. Good. Good girl. Turn around here. Go, 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 Sabrina. Hello guys, this is Sabrina. She knows already how to ride on her bike without the training wheels. Good job, Sabrina. She doesn't want to stop, guys, because she knows already how to balance her body. Good job, Sabrina. She achieved one this year. Oh no! Oh no! You achieved one this year, right?
Oh my God.
What did you achieve this year? Biking! Without training wheels. Yes!
Good one.
Good girl!